Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad Sangma, Buddien hi jingpynkhreh Meghalaya Games kabanlong hanongbah Tura snem banwan. Haka review meeting kablalong hynne sngi bat ki board distrik Myntri Rangbah watla watla kidon bun jingduna hynrei khmih lynti shwa kapor kinsala ban pynbiang pura lut jingdonkam na bynta kisau hajar ngut nongialehkai bat ki board pyniaid.
Was a review for the upcoming Meghalaya Games, which will be held in Tura, Garo Hills, and hence there are many things to be prepared, including the location of the venues where the games will take place. Then after that, the accommodation, then other factors like security, water, electricity, food, materials, and so on and so forth. So we had a full review with the deputy commissioners online, and we are on track for the games, and we're hopeful that the games will go very well. There are challenges, of course, because Tura does not have the necessary infrastructure to support almost close to 4,000 people will be going, including the athletes and the officials. So, but we are working on it, and we are pretty sure that we should be able to make the necessary arrangements in time. And so this review meeting was for that, and further we have decided that on 8th of December we will be having the same review in Tura itself. So the Honorable Minister and myself will, along with the whole team, we will be going to Tura and having the review on the 8th of December. So that's for